To be honest, I was not going to record this video and upload this video because it's just 2 days since I started my YouTube channel, and already I was so overwhelmed with the entire YouTube thing. Okay, so even though I do mention that I do not care about any results, and since winter arc is going on and I am all in for that challenge, and there is a factor of detachment which I am following pretty good so far. So since yesterday I was feeling like maybe I should reduce my frequency to 2 to 3 videos a week or a month, and maybe I should focus more on editing, more on thumbnail, creating a setup. But then I realized that, is that my actual purpose? Like, my main purpose to get on YouTube is literally to just build that frequency that I already have on Instagram, is to get that momentum to post every day on YouTube, because there are a lot of people who do it twice a month or twice a week, but I want to be that person who is uploading daily on YouTube, whether I feel like doing it or I don't feel like doing it. So here I am creating my third video, and the fact that I was overwhelmed about is that there are a lot of successful creators out there on YouTube, but when you look at their initial videos, even they were not clear about what thumbnail should they have, about what pattern of thumbnail should they have, about what niche do they speak into or do they fit into. And that's the same thing for me as well, because when I have just started on YouTube platform, I am zero experienced, but on Instagram, yeah, I do have a bit of experience so far. So that is when I decided that, okay, when I started my Instagram account, I was lost, but I figured out eventually. So that's the same reason why I am starting YouTube with frequency, and I do not want to break that streak of not uploading on YouTube just because I'm afraid of creating that perfect thumbnail or creating that perfect setup and then start it. So yeah, also what I wanted to also highlight upon in this video is that Instagram has become a short form content. But since I am into my own program, I have my own program. So for me to grow my program and to get more quality people, I think YouTube is the best platform, because on Instagram people are more inclined towards having fun and releasing their stress, but on YouTube people find content which is triggering their emotions, which they want to watch the video and change themselves. So the leads conversion from YouTube will be more higher than on Instagram, and दोनों में same, like the equal amount of efforts are being invested in both the platforms. So that is why I have decided to go all in for YouTube as well. And at this particular point of time, I am building 4 things consistently. First is my Instagram reel daily at 5:30 in the morning. Second is YouTube short. The same content is uploaded on YouTube short. The third thing is this YouTube video, which I'll be posting daily. And the fourth thing is to create a post and post it daily in the YouTube community. So these are the 4 things that I'm doing. Okay. Also, the fifth one, that I'll be creating an Instagram carousel or an Instagram post daily. So in short, I have 5 things to get done within my morning time. And morning may, if you are pushing yourself to create content, you can easily make it. But when you are doing it in the daytime, just like I'm recording this approx 4:30 right now, so it takes a lot of mental toughness to even record and upload it. But yeah, if you do it in the morning, it's way more easy. So yeah, I have decided to go all in for YouTube videos, and I do not care about views, reach, engagement. None of that matters as of now, because I just want to build that authentic connection with my audience. And yeah, again, I will be not editing my videos. So yeah, this was a short video for today. And also, to sum up for my Winter Arcs Day 4 experience, it was pretty good. Like, I got used to that cold shower thing in 3 days, and also food control is being a lot. And detachment, I feel a way more calm and peaceful way, in a way more calm and peaceful way, because detachment is something which was almost stopping me from everything. And I am feeling way more lighter than I used to before starting the winter arc challenge. So yeah, that's it for my day 4 experience. See you in my day 5 experience. Okay, sorry, I have to end the video with the mantra, so let's just chant it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So the reason why I do this is because when I put out this mantra, I just dedicate and offer the results of my video in Shri Krishna's feet, that I will not be attached with the comments, likes and shares I'll be getting on this video. Is because I am able to film this video is because of him. So I will be dedicating this and I'll be doing this in every video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, energy and efforts. Stay tuned, and I'll make sure that I always provide value in every video of mine.